Hi, welcome to Falcon Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10, 8 and 7. The process is same for all setups. So for this we need a third-party software. I am using UltraISO. I will post a link in the description box. Here, once you install this software, right click, run as administrator. Browse to the path. I've already copied my setup in D drive. I have a Windows here. Here you can see I don't have ISO file created. So first we need to create an ISO file. For this we select this, drag this here and then click on save. This will save an ISO file. Type the name Windows 10, then click the save. This will take some time to create an ISO file of this Windows. If you already have an ISO file, you can skip this step. Once it is completed, I will show you how to proceed further. Now we want to see the ISO file. My documents, here my ISO file. Here you can see our ISO file is successfully created. Now going back to our software, here select this, then press cross and then open, click on no, select Windows, then click on right disk. Here I have a 16 GB flash disk. And if you have already formatted your disk, then no need to format this. I just click on write, click yes. Now this will write an ISO file of Windows 10 on my flash disk. It will take some time. Now we have successfully burned our flash disk. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks. Bye bye.